Hello everyone, welcome back to the CodeIsha Training Center. So today we are going to learn about the HTML leads, like using the UL tags and the OL tags and the LA tags. Okay, so this is day 5. Today is day 5 about the list tags. So as per HTML 30 days series. Okay, so let's get into the slides. So coming to the today's in today's session, we will learn about the what are leads in HTML and the type of the leads and the unordered list and other and the order list and the list items. Okay, and we why we use these leads tags in HTML and example also, and we will practice the one demo session. Okay, and key points, and we are give the one homework also as per the today's session. Okay, and we will know about the what is upcoming session also. Okay, like preview. Okay, so let's get start into the what are lists in HTML. Okay, so here the what is a list. Okay, so a list is used to the group related items together. Okay, and it helps the organize content clearly. Okay, when we use the list tags. Okay, and it makes the web pages easy to read. Okay, so whatever the whoever the end user is there, so he can easily and they can easily read the that web pages content. Okay, whatever it is on that content, it will be easy to readable when we use the list tags. Okay, so and similar to bullet points, and also we use and also we have the number leads in the word. Okay, so when we use these list, we can also add the bullet points and the number leads, and also we can use the alphabets also. Okay, as per our requirement, so we can use that list tags. Okay, so let's see, and coming to the next one, so why we use these list tags inside the HTML. Okay, let's see why we use that. So we use that list tags for the to display items in the structured way. Okay, and it improves the readability. Okay, and list tags is are useful for the menus, steps, and the features, and also etc. For that we can use these list tags. Okay, and it helps the user quickly understand the information. Okay, as of now tell right, whatever the we have the on the web page, that end user can easily understand whatever we have the content on the web page. Okay, so for that we can use these list tags. Okay, and let's see type of the leads inside the HTML. So what are they? So we have the three types of the leads is there. So there are the unordered list, and also we have the order list, and also we have the list item. Okay, so coming to the unordered list is the bullet points. Okay, and order list coming to the number list, like whether it is numbers, whether it is alphabets. Okay, and whether it is Roman numbers also we can use in the order list. Okay, and coming to the unordered list, it comes the bullet points, whether it is right mark, whether it is bullet point, or whether it is dot points. Okay, so we can use those type of the unordered list styles. Okay, when we use the unordered list, and coming to the order list, we can use the number list, alphabet, and also we have the Roman numbers also. Okay, and coming to the list item. Okay, here the list item we can use these each item inside the list. Okay, so whatever our points is there, we can add into the with the help of the list item. Okay, so inside the list, open list and close list item, we can add the our items what are what we have the content. Okay, that like points, or whether it is points, whether it is number list, whether it is any other content. Okay, so must and should, when we use these UL or OL tags, inside that we can use the a list item, because of with the help of the list item we can declare the like points, whether it is points, whether it is bullet points. Okay, whatever our content is there. Okay, and coming to the first of all, so here are the three types of list, right? So now we will discuss about the unordered list. Okay, so let's see unordered list, what is that and why we use that, and how can we use that unordered list in the HTML. Okay, so it displays items with the bullet points. Okay, so order does not matter. Okay, so when we use the unordered list, so it cannot comes the like order list. It does not comes the on like order list, like 1 2 3 is there, right? So it cannot follow that. It will be comes the randomly, okay, like whether it is bullet point, whether it is arrow mark, whether it is like any other like dot points, okay. So it can come like that, okay. So when we use the unordered list, okay, so this is the simple is there, like see here, we are declared the first ul order ul tag, so that means unordered list, okay. So inside that we are added the li means list item. So whatever our the list is there, we can add the those lists inside the li, okay, li tags, okay, nothing but list item tags, okay. So see here, list item is there like apple, banana, and the mango is there. These are the list items is there, okay. And let's come to the next one. So coming to the next one, order list, okay. So let's see what is that order list and how can we use that order list inside the html. So it displays the items with the numbers, okay, and order is important, okay. So when you use this order list, it compulsory follows the order list, whether it is like 1 to 3 or abcd or roman number 1, roman number 2, roman number 3, like that it will be follows based on the you are giving the styles, okay. So when coming to the order list, okay, so see here also, first declare the order list, and inside that we can add the our list items whatever it is there, okay. So like wake up, brush teeth, and go to school, and do the homework, and the like uh, do the prayer, like that we can add the our list of things inside the order list tag, okay. And coming to the list item, okay. So see here the list items represent the each item in the list, okay. So whatever we have the content and whatever we have the points, whether it is points, whether it is numbers, so it will be represent that those things, okay. So when we use the list item tags, okay, and it uses the inside the whether it is unordered list and whether it is order list, okay. So inside these two tag in this inside these two tags we can use the list item when we declare the our content, okay, items of the content, whatever it is item or whether it is content, okay, like point wise and also like points wise, and also we can use the like list of the items, okay. So for that we can use the list item when we declare the list of the contents inside the coming to the like unordered list or order list, okay. So up to here, okay, right, these three types like unordered list, order list, and the list item, okay. So now let's see key points. So here the key points is there, okay. So unordered list must be used mainly we use the bullet points, okay, and order list coming to the numbers, okay, and the list tag is used for the list item to declare the each item, okay. And let's improve the structure and the readability, okay. So always place a list tag inside the order list or unordered list, okay. So must and should we need to follow that when we use the list item tag, okay. So up to here, okay, right. And now here the simple practice example to using the these order list, unordered list, and the list item. So let's see writing the piece of code to adding these all things, okay. So let's get back into the code editor. Let's open the notepad, okay. So here the our code editor. So I'm giving the first h2, okay. So for heading tags, this is the heading tags, right. So I'm giving the inside the heading like software technologies, software courses, okay. So this is a heading, okay. I'm going to the first using the unordered list, okay. So inside that I'm adding the list of the content whatever it is, like each item we can add the uh, inside the unordered list. So which tag we need to use inside this, we can use the list tag, right. List tag nothing but li. So li we can use li, okay. So I'm copy this. Okay, so see here I'm adding the first one, Salesforce. Okay, admin. Okay, and next I'm adding the Salesforce developer. Okay, next I'm adding the HTML. Okay, and next I'm adding the CSS, and next I'm adding this JavaScript. Okay, and again I need to add the some more list. So here I'm adding the MySQL. Okay, and coming to the next one, Power BI. So up to I'm done. So I need to show here the we have the heading is there. Okay, so that heading is we are declared the H2. Okay, that is the content is software courses. Okay, and after that I'm adding the unordered list tag. Okay, so inside that I'm adding the list of items inside that. Okay, with the help of the li tag. Okay, so let's save this piece of code. Okay, let's save this piece of code and come back into the web page. So whatever we have, the web page is there. Okay, so as of now we don't have anything, right? Because of before that we cannot changes inside the code editor, right? So as of now we are done adding the like heading, and we are added the another list tag, and also we are added the list tag with the up to 5 to 6 points, right? So let's see how it comes, whether it is number, whether it is bullet points. Okay, by defaultly when we use the unordered list. Okay, so let's refresh it. So see, let's zoom it. So see here, as of now what is by default what is comes, it comes the bullet points. Okay, right? So here the bullet points, so here the heading, and after that we are added the list items. Okay, so up to here. Okay, right? So let's see again adding the like order list. Okay, so as of now we have done the unordered list, right? So now let's see write piece of the code using the order list tag. Okay, so let's, I'm using the again header. Okay, header. So inside that we offer. Okay, so inside this I'm adding the, first of all I need to add the OL. Okay, OL nothing but order list, right? So order list open tag and the close tags must. Okay, let's, again I need to declare the li tag. For why we use that, we need to, when we need to add the content or when we need to add the items, we need to add the li tag. Okay, whatever it is our content is there, we need to add the inside the li tag. Okay, so now I'm adding the like study material. Okay, and next I'm adding the real-time project. Okay, and next I'm adding the mock interviews. Okay, and next I'm adding the one-to-one overview. Okay, one-to-one overview. Okay, and next I'm adding the resume preparation. Okay, and next I'm adding the course completion certificate. Certificate. Okay, and next I'm adding the list of the inside that placement assistants. Okay, and final one I'm adding the job support. So let's count the how many list is inside there, inside the order list. Okay, so before going to the web page. Okay, so now see 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, right? So we have the inside the order list, we have the 8 items, right? So let's save it. Let's click on the save. Okay, so let's come back into the our web page and see here we don't have anything, right? So let's refresh it. See, up to here 8 list items. Here also we are at the 8 list, right? So see here we offer here the up to 1 to 8 items is there. Okay, so why see here the observe why here the have the bullet points and here the list like series number series, because of here we are uses the unordered list. Okay, and here we are uses the order list. So for that here when we use the order list, it comes the order wise, like 1 2 3 4, or Roman numbers or alphabetical orders it will come. Okay, so based on our styles declare. Okay, how we can declare that styles. Okay, we will discuss about the in next class for how we can use that styles uh, inside the list tags. Okay, and here also we have the unordered list. Okay, so here also we can change the this list styles, whether it is right marks, whether it is arrow marks is there. Okay, so we have the different styles is there. So let's in next classes we will discuss about that. Okay, so up to here, okay, right, like using the orderly sorry unordered list and here the order list. Okay, so up to everything, okay, right? So let's back into the slides. Okay, so today I'm giving you homework for you this as per these topics. Okay, so let's try to create an unordered list of your favorite movies, whether it is favorite movies, whether it is your favorite books, whether it is favorite your heroes, whether it is favorite places, whether it is favorite vehicles, whatever it is your wish. Okay, you can try to let's try the using the unordered list tag. Okay, and also and also try to create the order list of your daily routine, whether it is daily routine, whether it is favorite movies, whether it is favorite heroes, whether it is your favorite places, whether it is your favorite vehicles, whether it is favorite your books, whatever your wish. Okay, you can add those list of items using the order list. Okay, and let's try to combine both list in one html page, and also let's try to add the one heading tag also. Okay, so each list of the item. Okay, so I hope understand the homework also, right? So let's we know about the what we are done today's session. So we are done learn about the html leads. Okay, understood the like ul tag and ol tag and the li tag, nothing but unordered list, order list, and the list items. Okay, and we are done the one simple demo also, right, in this session. And also like leads helps the organize content clearly. Okay, so this is the today's session about the days for the html leads. Okay, so we are done the three types of the list. Okay, and we are explain the one by one these three types of the list, and we are done the practical example like real time example also we are done based on the each tag, right? Okay, so in next class we will discuss about the topic is links in the html. Okay, so nothing but a tag. Okay, so we will discuss about the what is the link and how to create the links and opening links in the new tab and linking the between the pages also. Okay, so we will discuss about these are all things in the next class. Okay, so whoever the need in next class updates, so don't forget to subscribe and like this youtube channel. So thank you everyone, thank you for watching this video. So if you find helpful this video, so please don't forget to subscribe and like and share it with your friends whoever the ready to learn these software courses like html or any other. So this is the right platform for those members. Okay, so thank you everyone, thank you.